Alright, everyone, welcome back. Now, you probably seen me do the Wednesday's Infidelity mod. And I know that was a terrifying face. Come on, guys. Here. Okay, never mind. Okay, so save the depressed mouse. Mickey has lived in lies all his life. Today he realizes that something is wrong with him. Help him understand that he can find a new meaning in life. Life, like any other, is hard. Oh wow, there are other ones. There's Brick of Friendship, Father I Crave Cheddar. Alright, let's get started with this week. God, that was bright. I do not like the screams in the background. Hit that like button if you don't like the screams in the background. Sounds like any other Wednesday's Infidelity.
On a beautiful Wednesday morning, Mickey saw how his beloved Minnie was talking to a tall and graceful mouse. That quickly made her fall into his charms. And of course, his arms. Not even bothering that Mickey was there staring. Everything. Alone and afraid,
like the first Wednesday's
waiting for his
Infidelity.
dad, he found something that maybe can help.
That is terrifying. I do not like that. I blow up into smithereens as spew my tiny symphony all up in. Oh, this is new. I like this. Oh, this is cool. I like this. It's remastered. Now, for all you who see my first Wednesday's Infidelity mod, and for you people who has not, go back and watch that video. If all you who did, you remember that he went insane after the second. Where's my... No, not again. Come on, buddy. Snap out of it. Come on. You know that Minnie wants you. You're just jealous. Oh gosh. What happened? Someone tell me, please. That's a nice song, I guess. Here's the ejection. Oh, come on. Why is he spazzing out? I have 37 weak misses. These are new animations. And like I said, for all you guys who has not seen the first time I played Wednesday's Infidelity Part 1, go back and watch that. Because you need to know what happens to Mickey. Alright, let's do this. Let's go, Mickey. Oh frick. Oh shoot! My thing was glitching. Oh god, that's terrifying. I like how a boyfriend has Mickey overalls on. There we go, it's not glitching so much. Come on, Mickey, throw everything you got at me. Song's definitely gotten faster. Let's listen to the music. It's getting faster. Now, for all you who watched my first Wednesday's Infidelity video, when he laughs, that's when he goes crazy, but apparently not in this update. Okay, so this is the part where I have to put you guys down. Here. Hit the like button if you can't see. Oh gosh, no. No, come on. Come on, don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna scoot you guys up. Don't do this, Mickey. You know Minnie loves you. He just likes the other guy. I'm gonna have to press space when it says watch out. Come on. The dodge keybinds are space. Wait, what? Now he's gone insane. Dodge. Dodge. Owie! Can you stop doing this, Mickey? Okay, since that apparently is glitched out, we're just gonna go to a free play. Because trust me, some of the free play songs are OP. Ooh, is this Among Us? Yeah, this is Among Us. Needle Mouse and Unknown Defeat. Let's just do Unknown Defeat for this week. Ha 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 ha. This is apparently not working. There, shut up. Okay, that is it for Unsafe Fidelity mod. That is annoying. Okay, we're just gonna play a couple songs of Miss Small Christmas Morning. If I already played this, hit that like button. We're going to do 1 week and then Dead Hope. Mistful Christmas Morning. That is just creepy. Humiliation, Mist, and Doomsday.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hey, Squiddy. I've actually never played this song before, so this is new to me. The only time I played the week of this is when it first came out, not the update. Now, the next video I want to show you guys my favorite song in the last one. My question is, how is boyfriend breathing underwater? Is he a fish? That was basically hard rock. Because at the beginning, it was so soft. And then it went hard rock.
Three, two, one, go!
Are you okay, Squidward? What is wrong with your face? Hold on, give me a sec, guys. Squidward, are you okay? My question is, where do you get a shotgun from? I gotta press space when he does that. So I gotta put you guys down here. I actually want to see what happens when he shoots me. Okay, that just happens. My question is, why doesn't he do that in Doomsday?
3, 2, 1, go.
Now I think I know where he gets the name Red Mist from. Okay guys, so that is going to be the end. Next time I record, I'm going to do Doomsday and Dead Hope. Alright, so see you guys later. Peace.